In this video, I will show you how to download suckup. So let's jump straight into it. Now, before we continue, I just want to make a note. You cannot download this through Steam or any other kind of platform. What you need to do is actually download this from the official website. So if you actually open up a new internet browser, and the official website you want to come across to is called playsuckup.com. So here we are. As you can see, this is the official website. Now there's some information on the main screen about the game itself, but what you want to do to download this is just come up to the top and you're going to see the red buy now button. So you just want to go ahead and give that a click, and what it's going to ask you to do is sign up to manage your game and account in one place. So you can log in with Google or Discord. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in with Google, and once you've done that, you'll be taken to the purchase screen. So on here, all you need to do is go ahead and enter your card information. Once you've done that, just come down and click the red pay button at the bottom, and what it's going to do is pay and give you beta access to suckup, and that is how to go ahead and download suckup. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.